Okay, so something I'm going to have to correct for is that the sidebar is really tall, so what happens is that messes up the load more button because this load more button is automatically triggered by getting to the bottom of the page. So let's see here, XYZ test number 3 is the last stock note. If we go all the way down to the very bottom, and look, it did initiate a request, and if we bounce around here a bit, it should be loading more. And look, it actually did load more of my previous notes here, but you have to go all the way down to the bottom here. So what I did to fix this was I adjusted the trigger to being from the bottom of the page to the top of that load more button. So if you get anywhere near the top of the load more button, it's going to trigger the reload. So here's the page, and now if I scroll down, it will start automatically loading. And let's do the inspection here. Go to the network, and there it goes. It's loading more because we're getting somewhere near the top of that load more button. Now going back, I'm going to show you the little diff here. So here's what the old trigger, scroll trigger position was, and now I've changed it to this. And notice that I'm using the little number sign here, which is a convention for declaring a private function. So here it is in the JavaScript documentation from Mozilla. If you want to have a private class function, you could declare that in JavaScript using the number sign symbol.